Hi Syracuse, hi Central New York. Before we tour 51 East Mohawk Street, which is in the city of Oswego, I want to tell you a little bit about the area that's surrounding this lovely home. Did you know we're only 3.2 miles from SUNY Oswego campus? So calling all professors, anyone who would love a project of restoring this beautiful 3,700 plus square foot home with 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. But first, let's talk about what's right nearby. You have the Richardson-Bates Museum. You also have, in a mile, just right down the road, the famous pier and lighthouse that everyone is known for in Oswego, along with shopping and restaurants that are right nearby. You have Lowe's and Home Depot and Tops for shopping right down the road, about 3 miles. You also have great pizzerias, according to Yelp. Riverwalk is an excellent pizza to call for. And then you also have great little coffee shops right nearby. So let's go take a peek at this property.